Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making another short video of a smoothie recipe. This one is also very easy like every other smoothie. So to make it you're gonna need 3 kiwis, 1 avocado, 1 banana, and all of these have been frozen already. Of course we have a handful of ice cubes, and we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt and 1 cup of orange juice. So like the usual, in a blender we're going to add in the kiwi, avocado, banana, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I forgot that I actually ended up using natural yogurt instead of vanilla yogurt. If you have Greek yogurt, even better. So we're just going to take about 2 tablespoons. Ice cubes. And lastly, the orange juice. Not to mention, but make sure that you do not add milk because we already had kiwi, and kiwi and milk just create this very bitter flavor. We don't want that, so we're just going to blend it now. So this is what it looks like after we've served it, and as you can see it has a very thick consistency because after all it is a smoothie, not a juice, and it's nice and cold, and also the combination of orange juice with kiwi, it gave this nice color, and it's very cold and refreshing once again, so I can't wait till I actually drink it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!